see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning. First morning here in Renmark. And si Jan, ayan, nakaligo na siya kasi mag-golf. Today kasi uulan. Then, kaya agahan nila ni Kuya mag-golf. What time you're going, honey? You don't know. Magbubuk pa pala sila kasi.
Where you got front office live.
Oo. So, magbubuk pa pala sila kung makakuha sila ng slot. And then, pupunta siya dun sa reception. Dahil nga, gusto niya talagang where is it? It's in there's the pink one there ba? Hanapin ko muna yung perfume ni Sir. Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Gusto niyang yun nga sila race yung car na ipasok dito kasi mamaya uulan. Eh nung kami, naalala niyo nag-grocery kami. Wait. Turn on the light for now, please. Na okay lang. Nag-grocery kami kahapon and may nakita siyang dalawang car sa isang cabin. Nagreklamo siya kahapon. Kung maalala nyo, nagluluto ako dito, tapos si Jan, tsaka yung mga bata, pumunta ng pool. And pumunta rin pala ng office si Jan, nireklamo niya yung bakit yung, yung hindi katabi, yung isa na nasa riverfront din. Bakit may cabin doon na dalawa ang sasakyan? Ang explain nung tao na nandoon, na nakausap ni Jan, may nakalusot daw. Sabi niya, ha? Oo, nakalusot. Tapos sabi ni Jan, hindi. Gusto ko din na ipapasok din yung isang car kasi yun yung nakasanayan namin. Hindi naman kami na-inform na ganito na yung rules. Kung alam namin sana, edi sana na nakapagpabook din pa ng isa. Yun ang parang ginanon niya lang yung yung kausap niya kahapon. Then sabi nung reception, balik ka po bukas, kausapin niyo po yung manager namin. Kasi sabi din ni Jan, we've been here for how many times? Most like ilang taon na kaya? Basta sinabi ni Jan, we've been here for so many times. And then sana etong taon na to ipalusot ba na papasukin pa din. Tapos next year na alam namin, aware na kami, hindi na namin gagawin na isang cabin. Magbubuk na ng isa. So, yeah, yun ang gagawin niya ngayon, kaya ang aga-aga niya rin naligo. Aside sa golf. Kasi 8 o'clock siya pupunta doon sa sa reception. Hopefully, finger crossed na mapakiusapan natin this year. Papasukin yung car na isa. Kasi hassle, kasi maulan ngayon na taon na to dito sa itong Renmark namin, itong year na to maulan. So bukas maulan, today maulan. So paano yung kung aalis-alis kami, kailangan ni Jan na i-drive sila doon, tapos babalikan kami. So parang ang hassle. Tapos hindi mahirap din sa situation kasi may mga bata. So we'll see guys kung makalusot tayo this year na pwedeng ipapasok yung car. And yung kids, tulog pa si Kuya, gising na. Nandun lang siya sa kwarto. And ako, mag-grocery muna ako. Dito yung grocery ko lagi nasa ilalim ng umaalis kami ng bahay, lagi siya nasa ilalim ng aking pillow. Tapos pag sa bahay naman, nandun siya sa side table ng bed namin. So yun, mag-grocery muna ako, and then baka mamaya hindi ko na sila ma-vlog kasi nakaalis na sila. Yung bacon and eggs hindi not today daw kasi alis sila, mag-crumpet na lang sila. Good morning, Kuya. What are you? Wow, protein, Kuya. Hindi pa ako nakapag-grocery.
Is it nice outside?
Hi daw. Hi, sabi ni Kuya. Yan, naka-aircon na kami ang aga-aga. Kasi mainit. Although yung itsura ng weather sa labas ay hindi maganda. Kasi medyo gloomy. Yung ano niya, yung feel dito, ano siya, mainit. Alright, ano na ako guys, mag-grocery. Thank you. Okay, I'll see you later.
There you go.
I'm gonna do my grocery.
Well, later, 5 o'clock,
8 o'clock? Yeah, but it's 7 o'clock now.
7:30.
7:30. Okay, I'll see you later.
Oh,
Good luck. Love you. Kuya, see ya.
so good luck in your time.
Good luck. Good luck. Mayayain na yan si Kuya eh. And my talkative voice. Still sleep. Oh, I thought you're still asleep. Okay, morning. Where's Taj? He's not here. Hindi na tuloy yung sleepover ni Taj. Alright, guys. Update.
But I
Ayan,
don't
nakaligo
jinx
na ako. Ha?
I don't want to jinx it.
And si Zach at saka si Holly nakapag. What did you do?
Kneeboarding and biscuit.
Yeah. Si
I was
Taj.
actually good on kneeboard.
Huh?
I nearly fell a few times. Taj fell off on the biscuit. He skidded.
I did.
How about you? Did you have fun?
I went.
Yung ano ni Taj, yung, is it Nana?
And Pa.
Pa, nag-hire sila
And
ng,
Taj's mum that was in the boat.
nag-hire sila ng speedboat.
Are you
Kami
gonna
bukas pa i-hire yung ano, speedboat.
Are you gonna come on the speedboat?
No, Papa.
It is fast and you might get wet.
It's fast.
I think they were joking about that, Holly.
And, yeah. Supposed to be, it's gonna rain. Yun ang sinasabi ni, oh,
But
don't
look, it
jinx
doesn't look
them.
like. 'Cause
I know, it's so clear. It's clear. And, eto, hindi dapat itong suit ko. Dapat yung brown. Kaso nalagyan ng oil. Oil na nilalagay ko sa buhok. Natuluan siya. So, ayun, nilabang ko. Lalabas ko pala yun dito para isampay. Pero hindi ko alam kung matatanggal yung oil na yun. Meron ba kayong alam paano tanggalin yung
Yung
oil
lalaki?
stain? Where are they?
They're just over there.
It's too hot.
Yeah.
Like, can you go give me a food box, please? Me and Holly will just share one.
Wait, I think I have none. I think Mum. Yeah, that one's fine.
Here, can you get me one? Yeah.
Ay, init. Ay, hindi pa naka butones.
Yeah.
Alright. Enjoy and makikita ko naman sila dito. Be careful. Love you.
I'll put that here.
Love you. Dito na pala sila guys. And si Kuya, ininit niya agad-agad pagdating niya. And yung natira dun sa cake na bilog, ayan na lang. Si Sasha at si Holly nag-i-enjoy. Have you seen them, Kuya?
Yeah.
Ayaw niya daw. Ayaw daw ni Kuya. Ang init nga lang dito sa labas. Han, it doesn't look like it's gonna rain.
Huh?
It doesn't look like it's gonna rain. Later. Okay. Eh, nagpahingi ako nito kay Jen. Pakuha. Kasi wala. So, punasan ko na yung mga talsik ng oil.
Is
Wala
that the
pa.
wrong way, Ron?
Yes, it is, babe. How is it? Yeah. What's the flavor? Teriyaki.
I think it's bad.
Not good? It smells alright though. I need to get water. Oh, where's all the... Wala naglagay ng tubig. Lagay ko to sa freezer.
here.
Yeah, it's alright, honey, because I'm gonna just put this in the freezer.
Up top there, Ron.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
I'll go downstairs, kids.
Yeah, okay. Kasi dyan dun sa...
It's warm.
Ano ni Taj.
Let's look off.
Inano ni Kuya si daddy niyan, tawag nun sa atin, nilampaso. Hindi, si Kuya ang nanalo sa kanilang laro. Okay, dito ko siya ilalagay. Ay, Kasha. Check. Merong speedboat doon. Hindi ko alam kung sila touch yun. At Sak and Holly. Mamaya. Tingnan natin kung sila yan. But for now, i-haul ko muna sa inyo yung napamili ko last week na mga damit sa Cotton On kay Holly. Kasi mayroon siya nung 2 dance class. So, maghihintay ako ng 2 hours. So, sabi ko, punta na lang ako ng Cotton On. And, ayan yung nabili ko. And then, yung pagdating namin sa bahay, binigyan ko si Holly na isang shorts. Yung suit niya kahapon, papunta dito, yun yung binigay ko sa kanya. Pero hindi niya alam na meron pa siyang iba. So, ako magre-regalo kay Holly. Ako yung may birthday pero tayo magre-regalo. So, ito yung cute nito. Jersey siya, guys. 9 to 10 ang size niya. So, oversize to kay Holly. Yan. Ganda siya. Meron kaming binili sa G-Force. Hindi niya pa yun nasusuot. Then, another one, blue. Ito, size 8. Yan. Medyo malit na konti compare dito. Number 12. Tatlong speedboat. May isa dito, 2. Yun, parating. Tapos ayun, yung isa. Then, etong shorts na heart. Skirt pala siya, skirt. Ang size na kinuha ko, size 8. Iba-ibang size ang kinuha ko kasi yung iba, yung may size 4 yata dito na parang malaki. So, we'll see kung magkasya kay Holly. And eto, sando na may cherry. Size 5 naman to. So, hindi siya pare-pareho ang size. Then, eto, gustong-gusto ko to. Maganda to nung Valentine sana, no? Yan, oh. Kasi hindi ko siya nabili na. Ayan, ang cute. Next year. My heart. Tapos yan, ang ganda. Oh. Medyo makapal yung tela nito. Hindi medyo, makapal talaga. Then, animal print. Sport. Size 8. Ang maganda dito, pwede mo siyang higpitan kasi meron ditong garter, tapos may botones na pwede mo siyang higpitan. Then, eto yung size 8 naman na malaki tingnan. Pero yun nga, meron siya ditong adjustable. Ayan. Skirt. Daming skirt. Then, eto, same lang tela nito. Yellow naman siya. And cherry. Ang ganda, no? Another shorter skirt. Skirt ba to? Parang shorts lang. Shorts. Ayan. Size 6. Diba, oh? Pero garterized siya. Tapos mayroon ulit na adjustable. Is that saccharin, kuya? No? No, the other one. Hello, where's my phone? That one. Is that them?
Yes, Taj.
Taj? Oh, sila nga. Where's, I think Holly's in the boat. Ayan si Sab. Hi, Zach!
Mom, you're not gonna hear me.
Nasumin ko kasi dito.
Surely like
Okay, nakuhaan ko naman. Si Taj ang nasa donut. Kneeboard. Kneeboard daw pala yun. And another skirt. Cherry naman ang print. Ang cute nito. So, may cherry siyang sando. Ay, yung yellow. Nasaan na yung yellow? Ayan, cherry. Cherry on top. Tapos yung, o kaya etong blue. So, yan. Another cherry short. Skirt. Short. Yung isa skirt. Diba? Parang kinuha ko lahat na naman doon na shorts. Na alam ko magkakasya sa kanya. And eto size 4. Eto size 5. Eto size 4. Holly. White. Short. And again, garterized siya and garter. And eto. Bubble skirt. 7 to 8. Yung kinuha ko sa pink na may bow. Okay, kuya. And then 9 to 10 dito sa red. Diba? And ito ang pinaka gusto ko sa lahat. Jacket. Kasi pa winter, pa winter, pa fall na or autumn na dito. Ayan. Ang ganda nito. Yung tela niya, yung parang hindi ka mababasa pag umulan na malambot na. Basta, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa tela niya. But, maganda siya. Ang nakalagay sa likod is Big Top Circus. Meron din sa harapan. Ayan. 9 to 10. Diba? Ganda nito, yung red na to. So, yan yung mga napamili ko kay Holly. And meron pa akong binili sa kanya sa Zara. Mga ano lang naman yun, sandal lang. Kasi dito more short siya eh. So, para maternuhan, bumili ako sa Zara online naman. Nasa bahay yun. So, pag uwi na lang namin. Nakuha namin yun no bago kami umalis. Hindi ko lang nadala. Kasi meron na siya mga dalang mga t-shirts tsaka sando. So dito, pili na lang siya mamaya. Kung anong gusto yung suotin. Tanggalin ko na to. Ay, wala. Kailangan ko ng gunting. Pag sinuot niya na lang. Alam mo naman, loading. Andito na siya. And the farm. Hi, ate. Say hi. Hi to my vlog. Do you want pancit?
That was a quick help.
Yeah. Do you want pancit? Your
We
phone?
just ate at the mall.
Okay.
We had Subway. Hi guys, hindi pa ready yung room namin.
Mag-transfer sana ako kasi full. Binunot ko ulit.
He's on the way in the car.
Oh, ready na. May dinner kami pala guys mamaya. Kaya,
Yeah.
mag-change lang sila ako ng
This is the hotel. This is where we're staying.
This is the hotel, baby.
It's like a resort. It's not.
resort.
I know you like the hotels.
What about our?
Arnold's
He's
coming.
later. He's
Later.
in
Di ba pancit,
20
guys?
20 minutes.
Meron yan. Ay,
Yeah.
alam ko sa ko nilagay yung pancit. Guys, nilagay ko yung
Kiss mo sa
pool.
pool. Oo nga, ikala ko nga nasa pool kayo niya.
Nilagay ko yung pancit dito kasi wala naman dito mga lalagyan. Parang ilang takal po? 10 pesos?
Mas naglo-loading pa yung akin yan kasi may mic pa.
Ang babagal na. Ay, ayan, cheesecake. Try mo. Yung cheesecake.
Why do you
Ano
look
pa,
at that?
cheesecake pa.
Try mo, huwag ka muna mag-gluten free ngayon.
Ali, can you
Hindi
push
nga eh,
your
kasi nga,
shorts
nagsabi
on?
na nga kami,
Seriously,
oh.
No, we're here with guests.
Ngayon sarap, gusto ko yung ganito, yung sponge cake lang, no?
Tapos
Good girl.
cheesecake.
Thank you.
Tapos ito almusal.
Go swimming later.
Sarap sa
Come here, can I
pansit.
have a hug?
Sarap sa pansit.
And fine, napakita ko na ba sa inyo? Ayan, maglilinis tayo mamaya. Kasi
Kami,
wala,
yeah,
ngayon
hot
lang
time.
binigay.
Okay.
Ano pang wala nila?
Ali, let Daddy
Ano lang naman?
laugh. Can you fix up your shorts?
Hi, ate.
Yeah, pero syrup na. Hey.
Did you go to Kmart? May ano to?
Okay, ma.
Hey, Mark.
Now she's talking, she really
Hindi niya
wants
siya
to go
kilala sa
anywhere
BW,
over.
Sometimes I wish my wife can't talk.
Don't worry, do you want me to duct tape?
Wasted ka. Kaya nga happy sa another boy daw.
Oh,
Yeah, we have the
You
same
guys-
two
you
boys.
guys-
this
One
is,
girl.
yeah.
But yeah, two older and then
Yeah, opposite.
Okay na ba to?
Yeah, okay na yan.
Mag-ano na lang ako, mag-share ako sa'yo.
Okay.
May dala kang kalamansi.
I think you're looking forward to meeting your
Ay,
baby.
si Ray.
Si Ray.
Serious.
Are you looking forward to meeting your baby brother?
Baby brother! Patingin ka dahil, malaki na.
Malaki na ang chan ko, di ba? Kanina nga, gutom na ako. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
wala na tayo.
It's really, really
Ang
pregnant.
bilis na. 17 weeks and 3 days na to.
Oh, 17 weeks
Ang bilis, di ba? Ang Diyos ko, pahapoy na talaga makanganak na ako
Mga
lang.
anak na siya. Ako,
Nakakaloka.
Bilbil.
Uy, parang ang galing naman eh.
Ha? Yung aking
Ang
pa-walking-walking.
ayun pa walking.
Tsaka sure ducky rice.
Oh, di ba?
Mas makakarasa. Wait, nakain ako nito.
Sana all no. Wala na yung akin. Sa ano pa,
Uy, meron
in
pa.
2 years.
Pa-
Babalik to be ano.
Mag-walking pa tayo ng mag-walking.
Sabi ko kay Benji ngayon, dala kagabi na po isa na yung kilikili ko. Sit ko, nakapagkatay.
100 mil someday.
Yeah, that's the worst one I think.
Parang yung binili sa ano,
Kaya ang sabi ko lang
karinderya.
lang takad.
2 takal po.
Dalawang takad.
You gotta work out which one we'll do a road trip to Mount Gambier.
Yeah, we'll do
Yeah.
road
Because
trip.
we're not going to do any more flying.
Yeah.
You need to be 6'2", mate.
Basta, where's your towel?
Is it? For puti?
6'2". Height helps.
Height helps? Ah.
Helps you overhead. And you can be a utility, not limited in a position.
Oh yeah, kuya. Oh my God.
TJ, how
You're
tall
so,
are you?
you're tall na.
You don't know how
Tapad
tall
yun
you
nga.
are.
Then taller than me. 5, yeah, 5. Because I'm
Taller than you na.
Yeah.
Ba?
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law, yeah. Sa side niya.
Okay. Nagyaya si sir na mag-swimming daw kami. Kanina, ginayaya niya ako mag-swimming dyan sa dyan sa river. Sobrang init sa ko, sige. Kaya ayan, kapag swimsuit tayo. Ang init, mahapdi ang init. Ayaw ko pa sana. Sabi, pumunta ka na dito, halik na. So, ayan. Hi. Yeah. No? Oo, yun na. Gusto niya nga ako sa river mo kanina. Hinayaan niya ako sa... Nasa river sila kanina.
Put the phone under there.
Yes, sir.
Righto, come on.
I didn't bring a bader.
Oh, meron ako isa doon. Meron ako isa. Sure? Ako lang pala. Akala ko
Sabi ko kay ate, nilalapitan niya si ate. Sabi ko, hayaan mo na lang yan ate. Gusto niya mag-isa siya.
lumalayo.
Siya, oh, alam mo ba yung happy ako sa rin lang.
Nakakuha ko yung sunscreen.
Yeah, bumili. Ito na rin.
Saan? Eto.
Ayun pala.
Saan kayo bumili?
Sabi na bumili. Dito na.
I could look at you all night. Toes in the sand, eyes shining in the moonlight. It might be the first time we're all alone and it feels right. Now I got you moving. Ooh, ooh, you got that sway. Hey, hey, you got me laughing. Got me feeling that way. I could be a fire. Let me warm your skin. Make you my own. If you let me in. Baby, let's take our time. Live for tonight, I'll be yours, you can be mine. I wanna know you better, better than I'm used to. I can take you higher than you've ever been. Make the night let you in. I could be a fire. Let me warm your skin. Make you my own. If you let me in. I could be your fire. Let me warm your skin. Make the night our own. If you let me in. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid.
Thanks, Sissy. May pa Magnum si
Yeah,
Merce.
this is my
Sa kanya mango. Ang init. Sakit sa mukha yung init.
For falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause
Oy!
Ano ko si Harley? Asa nandun siya sa likod eh.
6 o'clock yung ano namin.
Yeah, 6 o'clock.
6 or 6:30 ba? 6 ang dinner namin. Time is 4:20. It's alright, hon. It's only 4:20.
Yeah.
Ha? Sabi niya, dapat 1 hour daw ako bago. Sabihan daw ako 1 hour before ng dinner.
Blow dry ka daw.
Mag-blow dry pa daw ako.
Looking out on the water.
Yes. Blurry daw yung kanyang paningin. Kasi, hindi siya gumamit ng gaga. Kita yun si Jan. Naglakad siya ng mabilis kasi binablog ko siya.
Fine.
And uulan, malapit ng umulan mamaya. Kasi yung clouds, umiitim na doon sa may likodan namin. Yun yung sinasabi niya kanina. In fairness, ang sarap ng tubig. Masaya ako at nakapaglublub tayo. Last year, hindi ako naglublob ata. Naglublob ba ako last year? Parang hindi, no? Kanina, gusto ko ni Jan doon sa ano, doon sa river. Kasi silang tatlo, yung boys, nag-dip din sila doon. Tapos sabi niya, come on, babe. Okay. Ito daw tayo daan. I-charge ko rin kayo. And that, speedboat?
Yeah.
Andun yung boys, oh. Diba? Iba-ibang ganap namin. Andun sila, oh. Hindi yung nga lang makita. Who's at the back? Zach? Or
Zach and TJ.
Zach and TJ? Yes. We're gonna wait, honey.
Any neck pop.
Yung iba, dito lang sila.
Put around
Oh.
your neck.
Ini-enjoy yung ano, yung river. At saka, yung mga anak siguro
Put your
na
pants up, bud.
nag-ski.
Oh, look at it. Ooh.
Wow. Wow. Kasi yung towel ko, linagay ko dun sa ano ni Holly. Scooter niya. Alright, Papa? Oh, nadulas siya.
What?
Naslip. Mga madulas dun eh. Yeah, I remember. I did that too, babe. Remember?
I think we
slipped.
got
What? How do you know?
this one.
I have something for you. Nakita ko. Buti, iniwan ko dito yung ano, yung damit lang, oh. Here, I have present for you.
For what?
Happy birthday.
You already got me stuff?
Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you.
It's all Lola clothes.
It's not Lola clothes. Grabe siya. Which one you gonna wear?
Tonight.
Yeah,
Nice.
choose.
Choose.
Oh, you.
Oh.
Oh, that's an 8. No, that's not too big. Oh, they sexy. I like them walkers.
Sexy.
Okay, I'm
Is that the honey? Give me your ano. Wait, baka.
Going too far, mate.
Ma, I got some Millie of this.
Where's the boys?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at that.
I want to go. Hot.
Go up that side.
Mum, when did you get all of this?
That's too hot, Bubba.
What? Yeah, I know. Seriously, got me another one.
Fruiter.
That was something.
This. Jeez, Mum. Oh, oh. Oh yeah, nice.
You like that?
Oh, I like that. Oh, it's actually nice. It's pretty. Mum, where'd you get all of this? Huh? Where'd you get all of this?
Need to get all these off, Bubba, because it's going to rain. Or...
When, remember I asked you that I'm going somewhere?
Seriously, Mum? Thanks, Mom. Wait, where are we going?
Which one you gonna wear?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Daddy don't like it.
What is this?
Well, that's good. For next Christmas.
Why
Advance
does it look
na.
so big?
Yeah, it's 9 to 10. You will grow. I just got this one
I
and
feel
save it
like
for
I'm
later.
gonna wear
Which
these.
one? Not this one. You wear
This
this on my
one.
birthday. This one
Not
and
that
this one on my birthday.
It's already too hot.
No, it's gonna be raining on Sunday, Saturday.
Oh, what about the yellow?
No, I want this one red because
No,
it's,
look, it's cherries.
yeah, that's hard. Oh, it's
Yeah,
up to
that's
you.
nice.
Okay. Which one you gonna wear today?
And I need to try.
No,
Ooh, yeah.
you like that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Mwah. Love you.
Dad.
Oh, no? Close?
Of course, close.
Why it says
Because
open?
they haven't turned up.
Dito na kami guys. And tinignan ni Zachary yung shop. Nakalagay kasi open. Pag push ni Zach nung door, wala, sarado. Init. Nagpalit pala ako ng shorts kasi yung shorts ko for some reason, mayroon siyang chocolate. Hindi ako kumain ng chocolate. So, white lang. Yung same lang na yung nabili ko sa Regata. White shop. Ito ba? Mag-outfit check muna tayo. Ito yung ating OOTD. Yan, white lang tapos white slippers or sandals. Sila Mers nauna na. Sila Race
I'll be near here in a minute. 5 minutes.
5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Tubig and Choco Blast. Ang init. Bawasan natin to. Doon na pala yung mga bata sa loob. Kami, balik lang kami sa car kasi may naiwan si Johnny Boy. Samahan ko raw siya. Napaka-clingy. You're clingy today, babe.
Yeah, 'cause it's hot. I'm sticky.
Wala pa naman sila, sila race. 6 o'clock yung booking. Time is 6:18 na. Medyo puno dun. Madami ngayong tao dun. Compare last year. Yung init. Para nang Kaliligo mo lang yung balat mo parang sticky na. Are you gonna put that hand like this? We're thinking.
Oh, no, not like that. I think it's just the bottom one. Because it looks too yucky with it on brand. You just get
Naiinis talaga ako dito sa gimbal man lang. Hi, baby! So nice to... Already there.
Okay.
Babe! Hello! Try to get her hand. See if she's gonna go. Not yet. Arlo, you know what? Kuya's ex misses you. Laging bukang bibig nito si Arlo. It's inside already with
Kanina, bakit? Kanina pa kayo?
Hindi naman.
I don't know, man. Maybe already inside. I saw your baby.
What? Already inside the car?
right.
Oh, you got a new car. Awesome.
Ang ganda sa loob.
She got her leg and she's got eczema, so it takes forever to
Oh,
heal.
yeah. Hey, good boy.
Yeah, look. Masakat mo siya.
Ano? Yeah, kaya nga eh. Oh, si PJ, yeah. Nakahappy tayo.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry.
Hindi natin alam kung ulan sa loob tayo. Yeah.
She's starting.
Diyan na lang kaya.
Dito ka na. Parang
Diyan ba ako? Para dito sila si Mami dyan.
Oh, yeah.
You see him with Indy.
With Indy. With Indy. Dito ka po.
Oh, it's bloody hot. What's that? That looks bloody good. Yeah, can't go.
Okay, hindi ka. Wait lang, babe. Wait lang. Ito naman. Wala pa naman yung food mo.
Oh,
Ano, pregnancy, happy birthday. Nag-order kayong kay Patrick? Yeah, I did. Maubos ko na yung akin.
Yeah. This is, yeah, that was gathered.
To drink.
Now alcohol free nights, how you feeling?
Better, more energized.
Oh, good.
Yeah, because first trimester is just I wanna sleep lang.
I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely.
Holly, here's your drink, bud.
Thank you.
Try that.
Thank you.
You can see the condensation building up and it's regulated. So it went from cold to hot.
Okay. Meron tayong total. Tara dahil. Kain tayo.
Red juice, yeah. Go to
You want here?
You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well,
Nandiyan si Jonah Megan.
What's that?
Kahit sa ano sa car.
It's Dan's not going to eat that.
It's me naman.
I should say that it's sensitive. Well, there's only a little. Here. So give it here for a minute.
He will dive in straight away.
No, so he'll go look at that and think. Just wait for Dan to sit down. He's just talking to some man.
What's up, man?
Oh, some. What did you order, Dan?
That's not mine, is it?
Yeah. No,
That's a half one.
Oh,
Just give that to Zach.
Niloloko niya si Dan. Kasi parmi din yung kay Dan. Pero yung sa kanya, yung ano, buo. Yung binigay ni Jan, yung kay Zach. Sabi, hindi ito akin. Hindi ito akin. Kanya buo. Yun ba, hindi pala yung buo. Hindi buo. Daw, ano pala sa kanya, kids meal yung binigay. Ito yung akin, grilled fish. The chili is good.
Yeah.
I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
Tapos na yung dinner. Kanina pala nasa labas kami, tapos nag-vlog ako, pero hindi naman pala yung camera ko. Hindi. Ayun, nasa kanya. Sarap siya. Magluluto kami ng, nag-robe ako kasi malamig. Oo, malamig dito. Kasi yung aircon. Ayan, magluto kami ng snacks. Fish balls. Yeah. What's the smell? Nothing. What's this one? Nothing. It smells good. Kung plastic mo. Bawang-baw siya. Bawang-baw siya kasi sa fish mo si Jan din.
Harley, can you shut the...
Ba nilabas pa yan? Masarap yung almusal.
Ang dami natin ito pagkain.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Kunti lang naman. Wow! Hindi ko na sinabi ubusin. Baby!
Baby. Uy, Chona. Ubusin mo to. Ano yan? Birthday mo bukas.
Uy!
Ito na mo, walang tigil kain. Asan yung tubig mo, Inday? Kawawa na sa ating Inday. Check. Ganda rin na yan. Almusal na lang yan bukas. No, ito na kanya. O, para meron din siya. Thank you.
Pabula-bula.
Sparkling water for me.
Sorry, pabula-bula ako dyan.
Oh, di ba?
Diba? Oh.
Gusto mo, anuhan natin ng grapes?
Lagyan mo strawberry.
May kulay?
Lagyan mo ng ano.
Squeeze tayo grapes.
Fishball.
Oh, parang ito yung ano. Martini? Yeah. Di ba olive dapat yun? Yeah, olive nga eh. Di ba martini taga-cheers natin? Dry martini pala. Yeah. Cheers tayo. Oh, cheers. Cheers tayo, uy.
Teko si Indy.
Wala na mo ba nasira niya yung mga ano, yung mga tempo?
Wala tayong fishball. Ay, ang nagay na. Mag-brown siya.
Yeah? Tagal
Nasaan
makakain.
na yung akin? Sige na. Okay.
Ikaw dahil, pitin sa'yo?
Hoy, saan ka din? Dito ka na lang.
Ayan na lang, i-POV mo. Sige. Cheers! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Nag-hero siya kay Indy. Ayaw na makipaglaro ni Indy.
Ay, ang sarap. Ang lamig.
Sabi ko sa'yo. Ang sarap! I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry, sis.
I'm so sorry. Ay, ang ganda na. Brown na
Yeah?
magpapala yung kay Manong.
Sige, ano na natin?
Mamaya, magpapala na. Wala siya kay Manong.
Ano na yan, ano? Oh, don't pushing.
Ayan na pala yung fishball namin. Ayan o. Kay Manong na.
Yung sauce, ayun. Oh, yeah?
If I could be a paradise.